Alpha.
A man takes luggage out of a car's trunk. Camera in hand, he walks with a woman. Go wide with style. A low-angle shot of her, then a tracking shot of her running. Dynamic images looking up at a forest in a starry sky. The woman's face in close-up. The blurred background makes her cool expression stand out. FE 16mm F1.8 G. Outstanding ultra-wide imaging. A sharp image of modern architecture. Stunning resolution. A majestic mountain landscape. One corner is enlarged. Details remain clear even at f1.8. Beauty of G-lens bokeh at f1.8. Neat rows of ceramics with a smooth bokeh. Suppressed chromatic aberration. Minimal flare and ghosting. Astonishing low-light shooting at f1.8. The man holds the camera close to some teacups. Minimum focus distance of 0.13 meters, 0.3 times magnification. Surprisingly compact and lightweight, just 304 grams. The man holds the camera up to shoot the woman from above. A low-angle shot of the woman on a street, using perspective to make her look powerful. Ideal for gimbal use. Rear and head-on shots of the woman running. Advanced autofocus. 2 fast XD linear motors for precise quiet autofocus. High-speed continuous shooting with the Alpha 1 Mark II. Stable focus for 4K 120p shooting. The woman descends stadium steps. The camera maintains focus on her eyes. The woman walks along a garden passageway. The shot switches to slow motion. She remains in focus as she walks away. Refined, stable performance for movies. Accept 67mm filters. Beautifully smooth bokeh transitions. The woman stands on a lit stairway. The camera shows her clearly while the background blurs. Supports in-body active mode image stabilization. Subdued focus breathing for cinematic rack focusing. The camera's focus smoothly transitions from a doorway to the woman. Comprehensive control and solid reliability. Aperture ring with switchable click stops. Focus mode switch. Linear response manual focus. The camera held above wet ground. Dust and moisture resistant design. Go wide with style. A close-up of flowers against a blurred background. A wide detailed image of a rough sea. The woman silhouetted against the sprawling city lights. The man puts the luggage back and closes the trunk. Sony.